Good morning, my name is Matteo and I'm a chef alla Devozione by Pastificio di Martino. We are located inside Chelsea Market in New York downtown. Our restaurant is a single restaurant divided by three different concepts, only basic on pasta. One is just the simple concept, the grab and go, where you can degustate our signature spaghetti Devozione with the tomato sauce. One is the concept a tavola, where you can see, get served and eat a contemporary, traditional, authentic Italian pasta dish. And one is the oval, where we're cooking right now, where you can come by reservation and have a 7 courses tasting meal, basic, only and exclusive on pasta. Today for you, we're gonna make our vermicelli pasta with butter, anchovies and truffle. And we're gonna pairing with Prosecco DOC, Rive, Millesimato. Here, in the pan, we're gonna drop fresh butter. Anchovies from Cetara. And we're gonna work at a medium level of power. In the meantime, we're gonna cook our vermicelli. And to make the sauce, it's very simple. It's gonna take around 4 or 5 minutes. You see the butter start to melt and we start everything together. We want the anchovies to melt inside the butter. You see the anchovies start to melt inside. Right now we want like to take the little bit of caramelization of the butter. We're gonna tend to bring to the brown color. But not burned, just toasted. Actually, this is the right color. Right now, we just turn it off the cooking with a little water. And we let it work on very, very low power. You see what a nice color? Like a caramel. We pass like around 7-8 minutes. We check our pasta. It's still kinda raw, but we wanna take it out a little bit before because we wanna finish in the pan with the sauce. We raise a little bit the power of the fire, of the burner. And right now we finish the last 2 minutes in the pan. We want the pasta to release its amine, its sugar inside to make the nice creamy texture. And now we switch it off. You can see how the bubble is different. The only things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a really tiny piece of butter outside the burner. And now our Parmigiano Reggiano 24 month. Not a lot, like a 3 espresso spoon. We're just gonna finish with a white truffle from Alba. And voila! You can enjoy right now our vermicelli with butter, anchovies and white truffle. We decided to pair our pasta dish with the Prosecco Rive DOC Millesimato. Wow, this is perfect actually. It's a very acidity, very fresh, and it's a very complementary with our plate because we have a butter and anchovies. The acidity push the saltiness of the anchovies and they clear up the bowl for the next bite. It's perfect.